More heavy rain last night really caused some craziness in Burlington. The Burlington Fire Department responded to 9 weather-related incidents between 5:30 and 7 p.m. There were multiple instances of people needing assistance.
Some people got trapped in their cars. Others were stuck in their flooded basements. WFMY News 2's Lauren Tier met a man whose private road was flooded twice in just the last week. Lauren.
Well, that's right. I was out here exactly 1 week ago on Tangle Ridge Trail, and as you can see right here beside me, this is where a group of neighbors in this neighborhood dug out the side, and guess what? They used that dirt over here at this creek to try and stop it from flooding completely over the road and washing it out. It's a problem they've tried to fix several times before, but unfortunately the weather has not allowed them the proper time to make the fixes. Here's what this bridge looked like last Wednesday after the flash flooding. And here's what it looks like today.
Right now, it's rough as a cob.
It's visibly in worse shape, much to the dismay of Mike Craig.
If this bridge goes, nobody in here can get out. We're stuck here. That means no medical help, no fire help, no any kind of help.
Part of the problem last night, blocked pipes running under the bridge, which helped divert water from flooding over top. Craig says this sandbar used to be level with the bottom of the pipes. Last night, it built up around 2.5 feet. On the other side, it's a similar situation.
So that will eventually show up over here where this 4-foot sandbar is now that wasn't there a week ago. This is all what washed down in the storm yesterday.
In addition to using dirt from the hill, they used some of their rock supply to stop the inlet bank from eroding. The piles of rock were originally intended for use in the outlet side that receded nearly 30 feet from last week's flooding. Yesterday morning came just in time for them to use them on that other eroding bank. Unfortunately, Craig says they're probably going to need some more supplies, but they just don't have the funding right now. In Burlington, Lauren Tier, WFMY News 2.